How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the first 100 prime numbers in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so for this example, we're going to have two methods. We're going to have our print first 100 prime method, and then we're going to have an isPrime method. So we're going to start off with our isPrime method first. So first you need to check if number is equal to 0 or 1. We are going to return false. Else, we're going to have an int num of factors and set that to 0. Then under that, we're going to have a for loop going from I is equal to 1 all the way up to less than or equal to our number. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Inside our for loop, we are going to have if number mod I is equal to 0, num of factors gets incremented. Now outside our else, or outside our for loop, we're going to check if num of factors is greater than 2, we return false. Then outside of both of our statements, we're going to return true. And just for a test, we're going to print out is prime 11. And yes, 11 is prime. So now we need to do our print first 100 prime method. At the top we must import an array list. So our array list is going to be of type integer. Array list integer, and we're going to call it prime numbers. Alright, next we need to create a variable I, set that to 1. Then we need to create a while loop, and we're going to have while prime numbers size is less than 100. So now we're going to check if is prime I. So if we find a prime number, we're going to have our prime numbers array list, add that number. Then under that, we're going to print out that prime number to the user. So I plus space. Then outside our if, we're going to increment by 1. Alright, now it's time to test it in our main method. And here we go. We have the first 100 prime numbers. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Or if you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.